My channel showcases some of the brightest minds. Take a look. I recently uploaded a video demonstrating how to efficiently split comma separated data using a formula, and someone pointed out that you can achieve the same result with just a couple of clicks. Check this out. The first thing I have to do is to select all your data with comma in it like that, and after that go to data on your ribbon and then data tools, text to column. This pop-up will appear. Make sure you select it as delimited because mine is delimited with a comma here. Click on next, and mine is comma separated. If yours is space or semicolon, you select them accordingly. Once you select the comma, you can see what the data is going to look like after it's been split. Then click on next. After that, let's assign a destination here by clicking on this button here, and mine's going to start from here on cell F3 and hit enter here. And after that, hit finish. You can see the data is nicely split out. And to complete the data, you copy the name here on the clipboard, Ctrl C, and put here Ctrl V, and you're done.